Mai i Aotearoa ki te turekore, ko te haerenga a te Waikato nei ki ngā anahira I pāngia e ngā ngaungautanga.
I've been here, I've travelled here before. There's always the glitz and glam of LA, but this time round I just absolutely have this deep sense of injustice.
Ko Tiana Griffin, he māmano Waikato, e haere ana ki ngā anahira. Ko tahuri ake mā ngā porotehi, kia whakaieki I te hunga manene e kore whaituhinga.
They use a lot of negative words like rioting and violence and things, but that's not what I've seen at all. I've literally seen immigrants going on a hikoi. And so it made me feel like when we were, back in Aotearoa going on the Toitu Te Tiriti hikoi.
He wāhanga whiua o tētahi kaupapa whānui a te kāwanatanga o Amerika. A Operation at Large e aro ana ki te mauhere me te pana I te hunga kaore he tuhinga mana a nā perehitini Trump I whakamana.
Most people would agree with that, you don't want undesirable people in your communities. But what's happened with the raids in LA is it's not focusing on gang members or high-risk people. It's focusing on those who are just trying to make a living. That they are undocumented, but they're workers and they're often just trying to do the best for their families.
All these immigrants have all got their flags, they've all got their banners, they've all got their signs and their placards. They've all got, their T-shirts with their various, signs and symbols on it. And they're walking peacefully. They're walking around and around and around and around the streets of downtown LA, but it's very peaceful. I never feel intimidated. I don't feel scared. There doesn't feel like there's any sense or threat of violence. I am cautious of when there's police presence around that things get really heated.
Neke atu I te whāmano hoia ki ngā anahira. Hei urupare ki ngā porotehi I tukuna e te perehitini o Amerika. He maumautanga arauemi e kia te tehi mātanga ture porihanga.
What he's tried to do is bring in additional forces to solve a problem which weren't necessary, and that's inflamed the situation. But that inflammation is not just with regards to the riots on the ground, it's also with regards to civil and constitutional debates in America. Because in America, each state has a lot of autonomy. And the one thing that they all share is they don't like central government from Washington coming in, especially if they've got soldiers or troops and saying, this is what you must do.
Hei tā Tiana, kia haere tonu I tana haerenga. Engari, kia noho tonu ngā āhuatanga o ngā porotehi ki roto I aia.
No one is illegal on stolen land. Sometimes I think we have to go through this turmoil and this upheaval for us to actually be able to flourish as a people. We're not free until we're all free.
Mai o hapānapa, mā Aukaha.